Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than the usual. Obviously this is going to be a nail tutorial. This is what I do maybe if I don't have money to go out and go to a salon and get my nails done, or maybe if I'm just having like a spa pamper type day and I want to do it myself. So here I'm just wiping my nails with an alcohol wipe. I already filed, buffed, shaped, push back my cuticles off camera. I do that every single time before I do my nails. And then I'm starting out with a base coat. Now, the alcohol wipe is super important, especially before doing any type of manicure, but more so with any type of like gel or shellac. If you have any oil left on your nails, that oil is going to basically ruin your manicure. The gel polish is not going to stick as well, so that is super important. Don't skip that step. I don't know if you could see there, but I skipped my ring finger. I'm actually going to be using a wrap. Now, a wrap is like a sticker almost. So they're kind of shaped already for you. You just have to size them to your nail. You use heat to make sure that there's not any like wrinkles and it kind of shrinks up on your nail. They come in a lot of different colors, a lot of different styles and patterns and stuff. It makes it a little bit easier because it's not a polish, it's a sticker. You can seal it with a top coat and it will last forever. So I kind of wanted an accent nail. That's why I left that blank. When you're doing a wrap, you don't want to put any type of base coat on it, just because it's going to be sticky and the wrap, you're not going to be able to get it to stay. You want to have it on your natural nail, wiped down with an alcohol wipe, fresh and clean. Now this color I'm going to link in the description box. Everything I'm going to link in the description box. These Jamberry gel polishes and the wraps are amazing. I purchased mine from a friend named Kaitlyn. She is super sweet, super fun. She's extremely knowledgeable about Jamberry products in general. I'm going to link all of her information, all of her social medias down in the description box so that you can contact her if you're looking to buy maybe a kit or polishes or maybe even some wraps. She is going to be the person to go to because she literally knows everything about this kind of stuff. So she can help you if you are interested in purchasing anything. Now I did go in with 3 layers of this color just to make sure that it was super opaque. With any like manicure in general, really you want to make sure you're doing thin layers, especially with any type of shellac or like gel polish. Just because drying time can take a lot longer if your coats are too thick, and obviously if you're just going in with these big giant globs, it's not really going to look right. So thin layers is the key. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. Per usual, she is super loud. She's always hyper the most when I'm trying to do voiceovers or record or just doing stuff in general, so she's all over the place. But anyways, I always do my thumb last, just so I don't mess anything up or get anything on the polish. And then I am curing in between layers for 30 seconds. You can do longer if you want to, but you really only need to do 30 seconds if you're doing thin layers. This is their top coat. Depending on what my nails are like when I'm doing a manicure, I might go in with 2 layers of the top coat. For this manicure, I only did 1, but you can definitely do 2. And then here, I'm just sealing that wrap. I did that off camera. I guess if you guys wanted to see it, I could always do it next time I update my manicure. No problem. You just have to let me know if that's something that you want to see. Now, this manicure lasted me about 2 weeks. It would have been a lot longer. It definitely took some work to get off, but my nails grow extremely fast. So I really, 2 weeks is pushing it normally. Sometimes it's 1.5. But for this, I did 2. But after 2, my nails are looking a little raunchy, so I kind of have to get them done because they look super grown out and gross, and I just can't. I hate looking at them. So I normally do them about 1.5 to every 2 weeks. I redo them. Now, the top layer, I'm going to cure for a total of 1 minute, so an extra 30 seconds, just because I want to make sure that everything is sealed in. You don't have to do that. I do it. This alcohol wipe is the same one that I used to clean my nails before I started. Gel polish shellac has like a sticky inhibition layer. You want to make sure you're getting that off. So that's what I'm doing there. Just helps keep them really shiny. This cuticle oil is so awesome. I swear to God, if you guys do not buy anything from Jamberry, you need to get this cuticle oil. My nails are so dry like all year round. Doesn't even matter what time of year it is. This stuff is amazing. It's like liquid gold. Like, it just makes my skin and my cuticles look so good. So I'm just putting that on all my nails. And then I'm going to rub it in. Make sure it really gets into my cuticles. Like, soak it all in. And then I'm going to show you guys the finished manicure, which is this right here. They look super, super awesome. I love the marble wrap. Per usual, if you guys like me, if you like this video, watching me how to do my nails, if you want to see future videos, then like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave comments. I love it all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.